Here in Central Florida, our garage that faces south gets really hot in the summer from heat that comes through the garage door. So we're now going to try out the do-it-yourself garage door installation kit. Out of the box, it comes with the insulation panels, stickums for applying the material to the garage door, and the instruction guide. Let's see how it goes together. Before starting, be sure to dust off your garage door, especially on the bottom. All right, so there are these insulated panels. They come rolled up. Let's open this up. Relatively thin, but highly reflective. It's almost like bubble wrap with foil. Our garage door has different size panels. Large panels and smaller panels with a vertical bar down the middle. Out of the box, the installation panels fit the large sections horizontally. For the smaller sections, we're having to cut them in half. So with our garage door and the number of square panels we have, there's just enough tape squares to do the whole door. We're placing one adhesive square in each corner of the door section. In our case, I'm placing it on the flat surface from the indented decorative panel on the outside. Peeling off the back of each of those squares. To make the insulation panel fit within our smaller squares, I'm having to cut the panels in half. For cutting, I'm just using a pair of household scissors. I have my panel cut in half. I'm going to stick the top of it up into the garage door. Being careful not to hit my double stick tape yet. I'm going to push my left edge up underneath the door frame, lining up the right edge so it looks a little bit prettier. And then for the bottom, I'm going to fold it under just enough. It matches actually a crease line to make that fit nice and snug. And tuck it into the corner. And pushing down on the tape marks. Pro tip. We adjusted the opening of the door to make it easier for us to access putting the panels up straight on. It came with enough tape squares for doing the corners of each of the door panels, but we wanted extra support in the middle, so we used our own double stick tape. And the big test is, do they hold when the door is open? Perfect. 2 boxes of the insulation door panels was sufficient to cover the entire garage door. We did need additional double stick tape because in addition to taping down the 4 corners, we wanted additional tape in the center of the long panels. We look forward to having these panels provide many years of insulation and cooling to our garage.